Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn a 2D image into a 3D, really nice method. So head over to this website stylar.ai, and now click on a project, click on new project. I'm just going to click on new one I've worked on, and now here what we have to do is very simple. Here let's actually import images. So you can click on here, import images, or you also have this option here. I'm going to click here and import all the images I need for this project. Open. Now it's putting all the images for this project, and as you can see, we can also here change the resolution, project name, canvas dimensions, and we have here some presets, some already custom resolution for us. We can also add a custom resolution. We can actually just change from here. I'll apply actually this resolution, and if I hold Control and use the middle mouse, the middle wheel on my mouse, I can zoom in or zoom out, and we can also zoom in and zoom out from here. And now what we have to do is I have selected all the images here, and now I can simply also pan around from here. You select hand grip, let's select move, and I'm going to create a simple composition using I guess all the images. So first one, the base image for this composition, it's going to be this dog. All right, so I'm gonna move the images here. I'm gonna add this dog, and this dog. No, this is a very simple composition, but I'm just going to show you how it works. Now I would like this image to be actually in the back, which it already is, but if you want to bring this in forward, you right click and select bring in front, but I'll send to back. All right, and now let's actually add some flowers right over here. You can also click on remove background, which I'm gonna do right now because I don't want this black background behind. All right, we just have to wait now a couple of seconds. It worked. Now I will actually like to add this around here. So we have dogs behind, dogs in a little dog here right in the front, and some flowers here. We also have this this snowman, but I'm gonna remove the background. And we just have to wait a couple of seconds. Perfect. And this should be right down here. And these dogs should be situated here. So there are little dogs here, something like this. And a huge dog here on the left side. And we have a cat playing around. And I'll remove the background here as well. And should be around here up like this. Also like to increase the resolution for this one, increase the resolution for this one as well. This I like to remove the background as well. You can also remove object, so just the object from your image is really helpful. Now I can add this dog. Where should I add this one? I think here, but I like to create some hierarchy here. So the first thing you should see is this one, then this one, and this running around here, this cat, and we have the dog, these dogs here. And now we have to go to next step. Now next step, let's click on text, image to image, and here what we're gonna have to do is to click on this button, auto prompt. This will base the prompt, add the prompt based on our images here. As you can see, the image features a small white dog standing next to the red apples. There aren't any apples here, but we can edit this, so no worries. Red to a red. That's why. So yeah, I also have a lot of images here. So if it's giving you some arrows, not arrows, but it's adding here something that it's not included or located, or you don't have anything in your base image. So what you can do, let's go back, select this one, right click, delete. Let's delete this one as well. Let's add a flower back. This snowman, just remove from here. We can also duplicate it if you right click and select duplicate. And now I can just grab this image and move it here and some dock here. So now let's image to image. Let's auto prompt again. And now let's see, this image features a dog and a cat sitting next to each other with the red flower between them, above two animals. So yeah, now let's click on this button and let's see what we created here. Results. So it's loading. That's awesome. Look, this actually looks really, really nice. Look. And it's really based on what we created here, what we added. It really respects our images here. So look, this one looks really, really interesting. Yeah, this one I really like. Place on canvas. Now you can place this on canvas. And further, we can edit this. And let's select this. We can now maybe just place this and import some image to image. Based on this, we can recreate. Now, also you can choose the style, but I selected realistic. Of course, I want realistic, but there's so many other options here, which is just amazing. There's tons of options here, as you can see. Really a lot of options. And we can even stylize again this image here that we used to generate it. So it's a generated image, but we can generate again. But what I would like is actually create a new project. But just let's see what it came up with. Well, actually, what's the result. So here we just, and here's the result. Pretty nice. Based on this, really actually followed or respected the base image, and now we have different results which look really nice. But now let's create actually a different project, or we can work with the same one, but we just have to delete all of this. Delete, and now we can add another image, and I'm only going to add only one or two. So actually this one and this one open. And now we're gonna add, let's say, this one here. This actually is in the front. Let's actually zoom out. And I'll move this one here. Is like around here. And this one is located right over here. Something like this. So let's image text to image, auto prompt. And let's click on stylize. And let's see the results. Okay. Really nice. We also here we have advanced, and here we can change structure match. So basically this allows how well the generated image matches the input composite in terms of content structure and style intensity. We can also adjust how strong the chosen style is presented in the result, and we can also add negative prompt. All right, but let's see the image here. Now we can see this because actually we still have this background here, but of course we can remove the background. We can remove the background and we're gonna have then a different result. Let's say we only want this guy here. That's something like this. And let's click on text, prompt, and here we can add negative prompt as well, and some other options we have. So let's click on stylize. And let's see the results. And look at the results. So looks really interesting, really interesting. We also have it here with the phone and the hand. This one is weird, but this one looks interesting, and this one. But that's realistic, but we can actually select maybe we want some impressionists. And now here's the result. This one really looks really nice. This turned actually into a window. And as here we still have the hand placed on canvas. So look, this is really impressive and looks really realistic. It's like really respected the style, and yeah, that's really cool. And of course now we can go back and remove this one and only have the same one, and we can change here the style to something different. Classic interior minimalistic cartoon. Let's go with this one. And here's the result. This looks really nice as well. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I really hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.